going to help you get comfortable with the uncomfortable, and we're going to teach you all about our effective communication workshop. Are you ready?
Erin and the team were extremely fun.
The team that was putting it on was incredible, and it kept everybody so engaged.
They just were masterful about making sure that everybody was included, heard, and a part of the process.
They really brought in the energy, and it made me feel really comfortable.
What we're going to do tonight might guide you very gently outside of your comfort zone. And if you can trust us, we promise you we're going to take you to a really cool space.
There's this opportunity to connect with other people who also want to improve in the same areas that I might want to improve. So it's sort of this uniting experience.
What I can take away from this workshop is just really making sure to pay attention to other people's ways of communication.
One person, whoever's going to start it, you're going to say the first word, and from that point, we'll use that last letter of the words going forward. September.
Rolling! The yes and exercise. In fact, I've already envisioned using it in a meeting that's upcoming.
We are going to come up with ideas. So the first person is going to throw out the first idea, and from that point forward, we have to yes and in any order.
My favorite exercise was the gibberish.
The gibberish part where you're communicating and you're not even using words.
It's like a perfect mesh of both interest and then also what's kind of needed in professional settings.
I can imagine a lot of my colleagues getting loose and pushing themselves ever so slightly outside of their comfort zone.
Even if we're not going to take improv and run with it and learn it forever, it's good to just put ourselves out there and, be vulnerable.
So many of us don't recognize the impact that we can have on others.
We all need to kind of take a step back and be a child again and really learn how to speak again.
Thank you all!